What's going on, guys? It's your boy the Juice. Today I'm doing another unboxing. This time I will be unboxing my new Mavic Pro 2. This is not the Zoom, this is the actual Pro version. I ordered it about 2 Fridays ago, but the flight got delayed and what's not because they had to come from all the way China. Damn DJI. But anyways, I finally got it and now I'm about to unbox it. Let's see what we have inside. Now, I'm very clumsy with a knife. I will forever be saying that because it's true. Okay, so that's the box. Of course, we have instructions. Well, not instructions, but that's, I guess, my invoice. Gotta hide that away. And inside we have the actual box for the device. See a little glare, but anyways, yeah. So that's actually the device box. As I say, it's the Mavic 2 Pro. This is the one with the Hasselblad sensor, which is a 1-inch camera sensor. It shoots 4K 10-bit HDR video, and what's not supposed to give you like 31 minutes of flight time, and what's not. So, where's my knife? Let me unbox this thing even more. Get rid of this plastic. Now, the funny thing is, as I said, I ordered this 2 Fridays ago, and on that same particular day, I was flying my Mavic Pro, the regular one, and I ended up crashing it the first time ever. I've been flying all kind of different drones, and I never crashed it, but this one particular time, I was flying it in some area that had a lot of scrap cars, a lot of metal, so I guess the GPS kind of lost signal and it just fell literally out of the sky. But anyways, long story short, I came home looking for a propeller because thank God that was the only thing that was damaged. And lo and behold, I saw that Mavic on that same particular day had released this Mavic Pro, this Mavic Pro 2. So I decided to just order it. So finally it's here. And that's how this came to be. So, one thing about DJI, they do a fairly good job of packaging their devices. I guess when you have to travel that far, you have to make sure that there's minimum damage as possible. Oh my gosh, so here it is. So, first box, this here feels like the charger, maybe. Yep, it's the power brick with the USB to the side to help charge the control, or I guess whatever else. And this here is obviously the part that goes into the wall, right? So that's one. In this other box now we have, I don't know, we'll find out. Cables. Okay, that's interesting. The first cable is a USB mini to a micro USB. Well, a micro USB to micro USB. I don't know if you can see that. I'm holding it too far. Okay, yeah, so micro USB to micro USB. That's cable number 1. Cable number 2 is USB 3 to USB Type C. Can't really get this camera to focus. Yeah, USB 3 to USB Type C. That's cable number 2. Cable number 3. Yes, I'm pretty bad. I like to rip stuff open. I suspect this here is micro USB to USB type C, and of course you have some form of conversion to what is USB mini, well, micro USB to type C. So I guess the type C would possibly fit in here. Yep, so it's just an adapter. And then I suspect this part here is the joysticks. Yep, here's the joysticks for the actual controller. I don't know if it's spare or if this is the only one, but I mean, more than likely I'm always going to keep it on the controller, so I don't think I'll ever need spares. So next we have, okay, the controller. So I'm just going to screw these things in one time before I lose them, because I am pretty bad at keeping small stuff. So yeah, so they could screw on and off to help with your packing, you know, putting it in your backpack or whatever. You don't want this to be like all in the way and what's not, so that helps a lot. So that's the control. Here obviously is some readme information and booklets and pamphlets and stuff that I'm probably never ever gonna read. Or props, propellers and extra propellers and readme and what's not. So put that on the side. The propellers, and then finally we have the actual device. So yeah, the device is, as I said, this is the Pro model with the Hasselblad camera. To the top you have the on and off button. You know, the legs will fold in and out. You have the sensors to the back, so it doesn't hit into anything when you reverse it. You're supposed to have the infrared on the side, which isn't as accurate as the actual sensors to the back and to the front, but it still does the job. And it also has a sensor on top. At the bottom you have the LED lights, also a sensor, and everything else. So what can I say? It feels pretty heavy compared to the ordinary Mavic Pro, but not that much heavier. So what I'm going to do is, I can see my camera battery is running low. I will go and charge everything up and give it a little test, come back, do my review, and I think I will have a few different videos in terms of flight range, flight times, and a more comprehensive comparison to some of the other DJI products. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. You could subscribe to my channel to stay in tune for other videos for this product and many more. So until next time, God bless.